Do you also work hard day and night, but there is no growth in business? Do you ever feel that people are moving ahead and I am standing there right there? If yes, then today's video is just for you. Because today I am going to tell you those 5 secrets which can make every small business a big brand. And if you understand these things by heart, so in the next 6 months, your business itself will become your identity. Every business starts with an idea, but the problem is that in the beginning, we think, I will earn little by little, I will grow slowly. This is the mistake, because that's all the world gives you, as much as you expect from yourself. If you think small, then big opportunities will also pass before your eyes. Think big. The work will automatically become big. Ask yourself every day, what can I do today? What will make my business different from others? Because remember, don't copy, create. Those who copied others got lost in the crowd. Those who did something new became brands. People don't buy your product, they buy your experience. Suppose there are 2 shopkeepers. One says, "Look, this is a product worth rupees 100. The other one says, "This thing will make your life easier." Who will you buy from? From the second one, because he sold emotion. All right. Therefore, don't sell the product, sell the feeling. Give your product a story. Tell people, why did I start this? What benefit do people get from this? When people connect with your cause, so they become your supporters and not just customers. Today is the time of digital. If you are still limited to the shop only, so understand, you have lost half your business. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. Don't use all these platforms just for posting. Make them branding machines. Upload a short video every week in which you tell the story behind your product. Show customer reviews. Share festival offers or motivational quotes. Consistency is the biggest weapon because people trust only then when they look at you again and again. Remember, what is seen sells. A customer comes to you once, that is your sale. But if the same customer comes again, so that is your branding. Send a short thank you message to every customer. Best wishes on festivals, and sometimes give a surprise discount. From these little things, your name will be engraved in their heart. Because everyone in the world sells products, but very few people form relationships. And the one who builds relationships, he never loses. Today's market is completely different from yesterday. New trends, new apps, new strategies, everything is changing. If you are using the same old methods, then growth will stop. Learn something new every month. Marketing, communication, presentation, video editing. Anything that takes your business forward. Because the person who stops learning, it also stops growing. Many people keep thinking, keep making plans, but do not take action. Remember, the value of an idea is 0 until you put it into action. Remember, the value of an idea is 0 until you put it into action. If you take a step forward today, so tomorrow, your 10 competitors will be left behind. So, stop overthinking. Start doing. The path to success is not easy. But one thing is certain. He who decides gets it done. No matter how small your business is, if you have started from today, determined to improve by 1% every day, so in the future, people will know you not by your identity, but by your brand. Now it's your turn. Write in the comment below, I will make my business a brand. Fire. And share this video, because maybe because of you, may someone else's life change too. Hey, if you like this story, please share it with your friends and family. Give it a like and a loving thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel.